Hi friends, I'm Sai Chaitanya. Welcome back to my channel Sai Tech. In today's video, I'll try to test the loudspeaker comparison between the Poco X3 versus the Realme Narzo 30 Pro device. The Realme Narzo 30 Pro has got only the bottom facing speaker, as you can see friends, so which is the bottom one. Only one speaker is present in the Realme Narzo 30 Pro, and let's see how much powerful it can be there because only one speaker is present in this phone. And Poco X3, we all know about this Poco X3. The sound is too much for this phone, so it makes certain kind of vibrations on the back side. But let's compare only the loudspeaker volume comparison, not the vibrations. But after the recent update, the vibrations has been fixed because the loudspeaker volume they try to decrease due to this software update. So let's see friends, in this kind of loudspeaker comparison, how will the dual stereo speaker setup will be compared with a single bottom facing speaker from the Realme device. And just in case if you want to download this live wallpaper, so make sure to check the links in description for more details. So let's begin the test, and let me try to quickly open the music player in both phones, and here is the sound meter which I am going to test for the both devices. So as you can see friends, right now I did open the same songs in both the phones. So this is one of the audio file which I'll be testing in every loudspeaker test. So let's see friends, what will be the maximum sound meter bar we can record from this Realme Narzo 30 Pro device with the bottom facing speaker. So let me try to play the song here. So let me try to start increasing the volume little by little so you can focus on the sound, how much it's trying to increase after a certain point. As you can see friends, if I keep the sound meter slightly far away from the phone, then it recorded about 84 decibels, 83 and 81. But if I keep the sound meter testing here near the loudspeaker, so it recorded about 110 and 109, 107. So the average was about 107 decibels. So let's get started with the Poco X3's device. So let's see how well it will try to react from when the sound meter bar is far away and when it's close to the loudspeaker. So let me try to start the audio. So overall friends, in this kind of loudspeaker comparison, one thing I understood is that even the Realme Narzo has got a single bottom facing speaker, but still it's very powerful enough to generate the same kind of sound close to the Poco X3. So in this kind of testing where I kept the sound meter bar exactly in the middle, you got a clear idea. So where the Realme Narzo, it showed around 85, 86 and 87. So in the Poco X3, it showed around 90, 88 and 87. So there's slightly more than the Realme Narzo R30 Pro. So it's the understood that the Poco X3 has got the dual loudspeaker, so which is present on the top side, so it makes sense. So this is receiving more sound from this one, so that's why. But still it's not too much difference. I did expect kind to be too much difference, but it's only noticeable difference, only 3 to 5 decibels of extra sound you're getting from the Poco X3 device. So this is what the conclusion friends, and one final test I want to do is that I'll try to keep the sound meter bar far away from the phone, and I'll try to show you what will be the sound recorded right now. So 87 must be the highest ear which got recorded from the Poco X3. So now let's begin on the Realme Narzo R30 Pro. So same place I'm trying to keep the this testing here. So. As you can see friends, as I said, there is only few decibels difference between the both the phones, so there is not much difference I did expect. But maybe the Poco X3 got a recent update and which did slow down the loudspeaker performance, I'm guessing so. So because of the vibrations going on the back side, so you don't get any kind of vibrations on this particular Realme Narzo device. So that's it friends, this is a quick loudspeaker comparison. I hope you understand which phone is better in terms of the loudspeaker quality. And for more this kind of videos, make sure to subscribe and stay tuned friends. As I said, do check the links in description for this kind of live wallpapers what I'm using in this video. So see you in the next video friends. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned. Bye.